Hello, my friend. My name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology True or False. This is part 46. A tendon is used to attach a muscle to a bone. True. An organism with an endoskeleton will have to molt in order to grow. False. Your lumbar vertebrae are located closer to your cranium than your thoracic vertebra. False. Muscles have much greater strength when contracting than when expanding. True. The elbow is a hinge joint and the shoulder is a ball and socket joint. True. Cardiac muscle is striated while smooth muscle is non-striated. True. Epithelial tissue consists of relatively few living cells surrounded by a non-cellular matrix. False. The yellow bone marrow is most responsible for producing red blood cells. False. The epidermis of skin contains mostly epithelial tissues, while the dermis contain mostly connective tissue. True. During expiration, the diaphragm is being contracted downwards. False. As air enters the human respiratory system, it must pass through the pharynx before it enters the larynx. True. A heart murmur often is the result of a leaking heart valve. True. Renal circulation carries blood to the liver and back to the heart. False. The semilunar valves are open during the systolic portion of the heart cycle. True. Capillaries are more likely to be found in the open circulatory system than a closed one. False. All arteries carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart. False. The walls of the arteries are usually thicker and more elastic than those of the capillaries. True. The injection of a vaccine provides a person with short-term passive immunity. False. The AV node is responsible for initiating the impulse that causes the atria to contract. False. Valves are more common in veins than in arteries. True. Plasma B lymphocyte acts as a phagocyte by engulfing cells infected with a virus. False. The blood that enters the left atrium has just returned from pulmonary circulation. True. Dear friends, thank you very much for attending to Biology True or False, Part 47. Let us meet again in another Biology True or False, 48. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye for now.